SHOW controls the MT-02 rotating lights. To control the rotation system, DMX Canon head wire is used to connect the controller. Press and hold menu to enter the controller settings screen. The IP setting page is displayed. The IP address of the controller on the top is displayed when you search for it in the software. Below is the IP when paired with a computer or other device. Currently 2.0.0.2, you need to set the IP to 2.0.0.2 on your computer. Set the IC of the controller to DMX. The space is set to 1. The color channel is set to RGB. Press and hold menu to save the settings. Dial according to the different length of the lamp. The 1.5 meter lamp is placed in a space of 4 sets, and the dip code starts from 1. The 1.2 meter lamp is placed in a space of 5 sets, and the dip code starts from 5. Put 6 lamps in a space of 1 meter. The dial starts from A, and the next space starts from A again. Open the device manager, click search, and the connected controller will appear. Click select all and match. Open layout settings, delete the current layout, and click the plus sign. Set the direction to vertical. X is 6, and 6 is 6 units that can be placed in one space. Y is 26, and 26 is the pixel required to control the 1 meter lamp. If different lengths of lamps are used, the entered values are also different. You need to change the space and channel when arranging the next space. At the same time, modify the starting position to avoid overlapping the position of the lamp. Modify the matrix size by clicking match. Drag in the color effect. Right-click on the layer and make 2 copies. Rename the layer to make it easier to distinguish between layers. The first 2 layers are used to control the motor. The first layer controls 1 to 3 channels and the second layer controls 4 to 6 channels. The third layer is used to control the lamp lighting effect. Open the map, modify the layer, set one layer Y to 1. This step is to control the first row of pixels in the layout alone. The second layer Y is set to 1 and the position is aligned with the second row of pixels in the layout, which is used to control the second row of pixels. The third layer Y is set to 24, starting from the third row of pixels in the layout. Drag the light effect into the third layer to light the lamp. The right side can modify the light effect. Select layer 1 where the red, green, and blue correspond to channels 1, 2, and 3 of the rotation channels. Channel 1 and channel 2 are used together. Channel 3 is set to 16 to enable endless rotation. Channel 4 controls the speed, forward and reverse of the polar rotation. If you want to use the fan effect, change the effect of layer 1 to the color scroll effect. Open the color control layer, remove the excess color, and set the color value to 0. All values of 0 indicate that no action effect is turned on, and multiple copies are made. Red pullover is to distinguish between layers. Red is channel 1 and will not work if channel 2 is not opened. Turn on the non-polar rotation of channel 3 and make multiple copies to control the duration of the non-polar rotation on. Adds a blank effect to reset the effect. If you want to change the angle of the endless rotation, you can speed up layer 1. The faster the speed, the smaller the angle. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.